In this video, I'm going to share some Kajabi course examples so you can actually get inspired by other people who have used the Kajabi platform to design and build their courses. So hey there, Tim Peakman here, and I am a Kajabi hero. I'm a Kajabi fan. The definition of a hero is anyone that's earned over $1,000 on their platform. And I've been using this platform for the last few years, building not one, but multiple online businesses and helping clients build theirs using this awesome platform. And that's why I've created this program, How to Create a Kajabi Course Step by Step, to help people like you actually get started on this platform and get up and running with your first online course. But before we dive into any of the training, I first of all want to make you an offer. I want to offer you 30 days extended free trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14 days free trial available to the public just by using my link. Yes, it is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you if you go over those 30 days. But you can simply get access. Go to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And as a thank you from me, I'm going to grant you free access to my program, Kajabi Unboxed. This is what I would do if I was starting a new Kajabi account today. What I would do first, second, and third to open my account up and set it up in the right way, ready for scale. But if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. I will also grant you some awesome sales page templates. These are the sales page templates I use in my Kajabi account. You can simply download them and upload them into your account and use them in your business. But that's it for now. Let's dive straight on into the training. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so here we have a few examples of Kajabi courses. Now here we are inside Growth Day. This is Brendan Bouchard's program. Now, Brendan Bouchard is one of the biggest users of Kajabi. He's one of the advocates. He's one of the investors in the Kajabi platform. So I'm just going to showcase what his library looks like in my desktop. So here we are in Growth Day. If you have multiple products inside your Kajabi account, these could be whatever programs they are. So these could be courses, memberships, coaching programs. They will nestle together inside your library. So just to click into each one, I'm just going to show you view product. This is a course that Brendan has put together, obviously Brendan's team. It's a little bit of a different layout to the ones that I am used to, but here you have the main header, you have a progress bar here, and then again he's got a welcome video. He's got the instructor bio down the right hand side, a little bit about him. And then in each week, he's nestled them together. He's nestled each video lesson, week 2, week 3, into these different modules. So you can obviously search throughout his entire program, or you can click into each one. So this is the welcome to the accelerator. So there's a welcome video from Brendan. Again, coming up, it's got the next lessons, and here you've got his bio again down the right hand side, and then the description. So everything you see here, the comment section as well, can be done within inside your Kajabi account. Now I'm going to go back out to my library and then show another example. So on leadership, so another leadership product. Again, he's got the same theme, but this is how he's put together his programs in this type of layout. Let's look at just one more. Success to building high performance teams. So again, this is in a different theme, same type of principle. You've got the banner at the top, you've got the start course, you've got the bonus training in here, and then in each lesson, this is exactly the same premier theme that we've been using. And for each course content, you can click through and then play the video. So that is actually how Brendan Bouchard has used Kajabi to put together a library of his programs. And if you know anyone that is selling their products on Kajabi, buy them, enroll in them, have a look at them, and you might get inspired by some of the styles of content that you can put into a course, but then just try selecting those different themes to see how they look and feel, and then just select one and go with it that you think that your students are going to know and love. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can actually take action on something. If you haven't yet, open your Kajabi account, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, get 30 days free and take it for a spin and start building out your course today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next training.